Jai Hind, everybody. Namaskar, Adab, or Sat Sri Akal. I welcome all of you to the Voices of Experiences, a show where real journeys meet real inspiration. I, your host Anurag Thakur, I'm going to take interview of some individuals who have not just cracked the toughest competitive exams but also made a huge impact in their life, and their insights will make a huge impact in yours life too. So guys, just sit back, get inspired, and who knows, next can be your story that we would feature. So welcome Sejal. It's an honor to have you on the Voices of Experience. So how are you feeling today?
Sir, I'm very happy today. I'm very excited for this. Thank you so much for inviting me on this platform.
Okay, Sejal. So moving to the next and the first question, the audience is really curious to know about yourself. आपका family background क्या रहा है, right? आपका academic background, and the main question is like what was your motivation to join the Indian Armed Forces? So let's hear it out from you.
So, my name is Sejal Mishra and I'm 18 years old. I hail from the blue city of Rajasthan, Jodhpur. I come from a family of educators. And about my academics, I've recently completed my class 12th with 94.8 percentage.
Okay.
And the trigger point for me joining the Indian Armed Forces has been my grandfather. I take immense inspiration from him. From since childhood, I've been listening to his stories of the thrilling adventures, the moment of pride, the disciplined lifestyle that he had and he still has.
बिल्कुल.
So, yes, that's why I want to join the Indian Air Force.
Okay, chalo, that's great to know. And you told that you got 94% in 12th. So the main question here that strikes my mind is, कि how are you able to manage like your board studies along with this NDA preparation and all? Because बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए challenging हो जाता है. After they come to 11th and 12th and they also start with their JEE mains की preparation है या maybe NDA की preparation है, तो उनके लिए काफ़ी challenging हो जाता है time को invest करना. So I would be more interested to know about your routine. Like how did you spend your 24 hours, फिर आप स्कूल की स्टडीज भी कैसे मैनेज करते थे, एंड हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एनडीए साइड बाय साइड?
Yes, sir. So since childhood, I've always been, academically a high achiever. But along with that, I was also indulged in sports and all extracurricular activities. I did not miss out on anything. So since I was young, I had this habit of balancing multiple pursuits. So it just happened automatically. I didn't had to put much efforts. But in 11th, 12th, like along with JEE preparation, along with NDA preparation, I was also honored to serve as my school's captain. So, yes, it was a bit challenging, but I really enjoyed it. I used to go to school
Okay.
from, till 1 o'clock, 7 to 1 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Then from 3 to 7, I used to have my JEE coaching.
Okay, 3 to 7, like 4 hours like after your school.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
6 days a week. And then
Okay.
after coming back, I used to chill with my sister. I used to play around, just work
Mm-hmm.
on my physical fitness. I used to
Okay.
sit with my family, have some family time, reflect upon my goals, and do some self study or work on my hobbies. I really have this interest in playing musical instruments. So after coming back, I used to play some piano, and that used to be my day for 2 years.
Okay, that's great to know. So now, Sejal, moving ahead to the next question, I just want to know what sparked your interest towards this National Defense Academy, right? And how did you started your preparation for the National Defense Academy and written exam के लिए भी what strategy did you follow?
So since 11th standard, I've been preparing for National Defense Academy. But since childhood, I knew it from my family. They, somehow motivated me to go in defense.
Okay.
But I have this keen interest in aerospace. And I realized that Indian Air Force provides the aeronautical branch.
बिल्कुल.
So I got this perfect combo. Like I'll be able to serve my country directly and passionately, and also it would give me the work of my interest like aeronautical engineering.
Okay.
So that was one of the motivation, and I've been preparing for the NDA written since 11th standard.
Okay.
The NCRT books were enough, but I also did the PYQs, the previous year questions for NDA.
Okay.
And thanks to all my teachers for providing me those in-depth teachings for all competitive exams, and that helped me
चलो दैट्स
truly.
ग्रेट टू नो, बहुत इंसाइटफुल था वो भी, एंड आई होप जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं उन्हें भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प होगी ये इनसाइट्स को समझकर. नाउ मूविंग अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेजल, आई जस्ट wanted to ask from you, you know, like आपको एनडीए का दिमाग में कैसे आया, like you know, from where did you search about एनडीए, then you started preparing for it, and before you know this word एनडीए कि एनडीए भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, what was that profession that came to your mind and you wanted to pursue that?
So, as I said, I had this keen interest in aerospace.
Okay.
So, since first standard, I wanted to become a space scientist. And my family used to tell me about defense and all,
Okay.
but I got this idea of NDA in my 11th standard.
ओके, तो ये
Um,
11 से पहले यू वर नॉट इवन नोइंग एबीसी ऑफ एनडीए, आपको पता भी नहीं था कि एनडीए कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता है. ओके चलो दैट्स ग्रेट टू नो, बिकॉज यू नो हमारे व्यूअर्स आजकल बहुत फ्रॉम देयर यंग एज, लाइक मे बी 7th 8th, आई ऑल्सो पर्सनली रिसीव लॉट ऑफ टेक्स्ट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम या सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, सो दे आर लाइक कि भैया हम अभी 8th या 9th में, टेल अस अबाउट एनडीए. So I believe that's also one of a good factor that you know you started your preparation at a correct time when you had that maturity, है ना, 11th और 12th में, and side by side I believe the preparation that you were doing for your JEE, next you were the appointment at your school, that thing also helped you.
yes, so.
And now Sejal, you know, just talking about the written strategy. So what was your written strategy to clear this National Defense Academy का exam, and that too you cleared for the Air Force जो प्रेफरेंस थी, बिकॉज जनरली ऐसा कहा भी जाता है और समझा भी जाता है जो एयरफोर्स है उसकी जो कट ऑफ है वो कंपैरेटिवली आर्मी और नेवी से हायर रहती है. सो व्हाट वाज योर रिटर्न स्ट्रैटेजी, हाउ मच आवर्स डिड यू इन्वेस्ट इन योर एनडीए प्रिपरेशन, सो ऑडियंस वुड लव टू नो दैट.
So, mostly when my exam was near, I used to do the previous year questions. First of all, I completed my books, and after that, I started with the previous year questions, which really helped me to know like what concepts are used mostly in the ND examination. The online content really helped me, and I also solved some books like the
Okay.
Cengage for mathematics. For physics, I used the H.C. Verma, and I also solved the R.S. Agarwal for NDA and NA
अब
Academy.
सेजल, you know, I just want to ask you one thing. Like, I just basically want a suggestion for all the NDA students. अब बहुत सारे NDA students के मुझे भी टेक्स्ट आते हैं, and also when I connect with them over a call. So एक ना उनमें मैथमेटिक्स का फेयर बहुत हाई है, स्पेशली जो कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं. सो हाउ डिड यू टैकल दैट यू नो चैलेंज ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मैथमेटिक्स, बिकॉज आई बिलीव मैथमेटिक्स से जो 300 मार्क्स हैं आउट ऑफ 900, दे प्ले अ मेजर यू नो की रोल इन योर ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है उनसे ही डर जाते हैं, एंड इफ दे आर अनेबल टू क्लियर दैट मैथमेटिक्स तो उनका जीएस का पेपर भी चेक नहीं होता है बिकॉज वो सेक्शनल कट ऑफ नहीं निकाल पाते हैं. सो वट वॉज योर स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर मैथमेटिक्स एग्जाम, एंड वट यू वुड रिकमेंड टू ऑल द एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनडीए रिलेटेड टू द मैथमेटिक्स?
So, I would like to tell you that mathematics has always been my favorite subject.
Okay.
So, I used to practice maths like it's kind of my hobby to solve maths. And for NDA, I would like to tell everyone that first focus on the high weightage topics like integration, differentiation, differential equations,
बिल्कुल.
and then you can switch on to the low weightage topics. And once you practice more and more and more, it becomes really easy for you to crack the NDA written
बिल्कुल. एंड
examination.
हाउ मच आवर्स डिड यू इन्वेस्ट, लाइक इफ आई आस्क, लाइक डेली बेसिस पे मैथमेटिक्स करते थे या लाइक मे बी यू नो वंस इन एवरी 2 days और लाइक वीकली, व्हाट वाज योर लाइक माइंडसेट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम?
I used to do it every day. I used to practice maths every day and for about 2 hours every
Okay.
day.
And what about your English subject for the National Defense Academy? How did you prepare for that?
My school teacher of English, he really helped me with the NDA content,
Okay.
and not just to me but to all our classmates. We used to practice together about the idioms and phrases and all other topics which are there in the GS paper. So yeah, I would like to thank my teacher for all the English
Okay,
preparation.
chalo, that's great to know. Now, Sejal, let's move to your SSB attempts. So, you finally got your recommendation in your second attempt, right? From 1FSB Dehradun in NDA entry. So, I just want to know, like, when you faced your first setback in your first attempt where you got screen out. So, what are the things that did not go right? And, you know, what were the key learnings from that first attempt?
So I was screened out from my first attempt, and I believe that the mistake I would have done would be in the PPDT, a narration and group discussion maybe, because I was more focused on my story and when everyone was narrating, I was not quite focused.
Okay.
And in the group discussion, I had a major contribution, and that was the reason that all other girls nominated me for the common story.
Okay, so you got nominated as the speaker who is going to narrate the final group story पहले वाले SSB में, but still you got screen out. So why, like, what did not go right
So,
during that
as
time?
I said, I was not focused on everybody else's story. So,
Okay.
instead of, having the conclusive story, I narrated my own story.
Okay, so you were bit nervous during that time या फिर like वो automatically निकल गया, like होता है ना कभी कभी conscious हो जाते हैं हम.
I somehow convinced my, other girls that about my story, and we stuck to my theme only. Everyone agreed, like not everyone, but most of them.
Okay.
So I thought this would be the final story, and I narrated that. But I truly feel that I would have taken more actions from other people's story
बिल्कुल,
also.
थोड़ा सा कंबाइंड अगर इनपुट्स आप लेते देन आप एक फाइनल ग्रुप स्टोरी बनाते एंड उसे नरेट करते तो इट वुड हैव डेफिनेटली गिवन द रिजल्ट इन योर फेवर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर OIR, जो रीजनिंग वाला टेस्ट था वो कैसा हुआ था आपका?
Okay, I believe OIR went really well,
Okay.
even in the first attempt.
Okay, and when you got screen out, so what was your immediate reaction and thought process during that time?
I was quite shocked because I was overconfident.
Okay.
But later I realized and I introspected that yes, it was my mistake.
Mhm.
I practiced more and tried to get myself involved in group, not rather only my things. Like as I
Okay.
narrated my story, I realized that I should have worked in
Like
group.
after coming from there, how did you gather the courage for preparing for the next attempt, and what different changes that you did for your another your second attempt in which you got recommended?
Said I'm happy that I didn't take it as a setback but a comeback. I did not give up. I
Mhm.
stayed resilient. I kept working and I took more, help from my friends. I started working more on my, to improve myself like overall,
Mhm.
and that really helped me.
Okay, one suggestion, Sejal, I want from you now. See, when I was also giving my SSBs, so I have also given like total of 10 SSBs, right? अब जब मेरा भी नहीं होता था, so sometime when I used to come back, sometime you take that rejection so personally that you isolate yourself. Like हर इंसान का वो अलग कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, ठीक है? कोई आइसोलेट हो जाता है, कोई ट्रैवल करता है, कोई ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता, कोई अलग अपने काम पे इन्वेस्ट करने लग जाता है एंड SSB की बोलते हैं यार ये तो मोह माया है, छोड़ दो. सो हाउ डिड यू टैकल दैट? एंड वट वुड यू रिकमेंड टू ऑल द अदर ND एस्पिरेंट्स जो मे बी स्क्रीन आउट हो जाते हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हो जाते हैं? हाउ टू वर्क ऑन दैट रेजिलियंस पार्ट?
So, like in the first 4 5 days after my SSB, I had thought, okay, this is really unfair. I was very deserving. Why did this happen to me?
बिल्कुल.
But yeah, then I, indulged myself in my, board examination practicals. But along with that, I always had this in mind that I really want to go to the National Defense Academy. Maybe that's my dream, and I have to do it. And I, kept telling myself that I should not give up. I should keep working. So yes, I prepared for my first attempt. But one thing that I did that last time, I used to tell everyone that okay, I'm preparing for this, that, this.
Okay.
But this time I kept myself isolated.
Mhm.
I did not tell anyone that I'm preparing again.
Okay.
But I told everyone after my recommendation only.
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल. आई बिलीव प्राइवेसी इज पावर समटाइम्स. अब कभी कभी क्या होता है व्हेन वी स्टार्ट टेलिंग टू मच टू अदर्स कि अरे हम इस चीज़ की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, हम तो ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, अब इससे हम इनडायरेक्टली खुद ही कॉन्शियस हो रहे हैं चीज़ों को लेके, है ना? हम खुद से ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, सामने वाला इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करता, बट खुद ही हमने एक्सपेक्टेशन का बार इतना बढ़ा दिया कि जब रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा, सो वी ओनली फील दैट डिजेक्टेड द मोस्ट एंड हम बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट हो जाते हैं. सो आई गेस दैट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट इनसाइट दैट एवरी मेंबर ऑफ हु इज वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो विल बी टेकिंग. एंड नाउ मूविंग with your second SSB attempt जो कि अभी recently देहरादून में था, so how did your screening test go this time and what was your mindset?
As like the OIR went well again, and then about the picture, I wrote my story in 10 to 15 lines.
Okay.
Then during narration, I just kept this in mind that Sejal, you have to be in the moment. Don't think about anything else. Focus on everyone's story. So I listened to everybody's story. I imagined their characters, how they have
बिल्कुल. Okay,
perceived.
Sejal, so I was having a question here that during the group discussion, so many candidates, majority of them, they usually face that problem कि हम कैसे enter हों इस GD में, right? And कैसे हम बोले, हमें तो मौका नहीं मिला, हम आउट हो गए. सो व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस लाइक व्हाइल टैकलिंग दैट फ्रेश मार्केट? बिकॉज देखो वो तो होना ही है. है ना? The picture, it was quite blurred during the PPDT, so everyone is bound to discuss on that. So what was your thought process while participating in the GD?
Sir, I entered the GD by asking everyone that can we agree on having three characters, the number of characters.
Okay.
Then most of us agreed, and then we decided on the theme.
Mhm.
Again, I raised this point of having the theme. I put up my points, whatever the action of my story was,
Okay.
and then soon everyone started giving actions related to that
Okay.
theme. And that's how I gave like 4 to 5 points, and that
ओके,
was
बट बीच में कुछ ऐसे होते हैं एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ यार जीडी को आगे मूव ऑन नहीं करने दे रहे, हर ग्रुप में मिलेंगे आपको. सो हाउ डिड यू काउंटर देम? लाइक आपने उनको समझाया, उनको पॉइंट आउट किया या उनको इग्नोर किया? व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम?
like one of the girls, she said that we should not take this
हम्म.
theme, but I told them that okay, let's look at the costume of the people, and my theme and most of us theme, it's aligns
बिल्कुल.
with that their costume, the area. So I presented my point with
ओके.
logics, and she
Okay,
agreed
so
as
it
well.
was all about, adding some logic and then convincing the entire group. Okay, so that's again a learning to all the viewers here. See, whenever you are in your GD, I believe if you logically put on the ideas, relate well with the picture, उसका background क्या था, क्या कपड़े पहने थे, क्या emotion show करे थे, and then if you create a very relatable plot, I guess आपका PPDT का जो main काम है guys, that will be over. And Sejal, talking about the psychology test, so when did your psychology test take place? Because generally कहा जाता है FSB में पहले दिन ही हो जाते हैं. So how was the psychology test overall? Right? Did you face any challenges in writing any story for any kind of picture that you would like to share your experience with all of the viewers? And uske alawa, like, for those 2 hours, what was your mindset?
Okay, so yes, sir, our psych test started that day only at 5 p.m. And yeah, my mindset was I was excited, and I did all the 12 stories.
Okay.
I did all the 60 WATs. In SRTs, I could do only 41,
Okay.
and SD I completed on time. And my mindset was just would focus, I keeping in mind that be in the moment, Sejal, don't think about anything else, focus on the stories.
Okay.
And yes, sir, most of the stories were similar to what I practiced. Not exactly same, but similar. So I was getting an idea about every story except for this one, which was completely blank, and I could only see a platform which was slightly inclined.
And what about your personal interview? How was your personal interview overall? Did the interviewing officer he grill you on some parts? किस चीज़ पे ज़्यादा focus था? And how did you prepare for your interview? That's also like one thing that we want to know.
So my personal interview went quite well. It lasted for 55 minutes.
Okay.
And the president of 1AFSB, Dehradun, took my interview. He was quite friendly. He asked me questions related to every topic. He asked me in the CIQs,
Okay.
some defense-related questions, some current affair questions, everything related to me and my surroundings. And I prepared for my interview with some predicted questions that you provided to us. And the mock interview that I gave to Sanjana ma'am, she
Bilkul.
really helped me by telling me, how to organize my answers, how can I work on my current affairs. The interviewer grilled me on the topic that why do you want to join Indian Air Force and why not DRDO.
Okay.
So I convinced him, and somehow, and
Okay,
yes.
and apart from that, like from this question, was there any other area? Because when you had also shared me your PIQ form, तो एक पहली ही झलक में लग जाता है पता, like everything is like quite on point. भले ही वो academic score is there, भले ही वो participation in sports and games, hobbies, interest, everything is like totally fine. मतलब your first impression is quite impressive कि interviewing officer को भी अब interest आएगा इस candidate को इंटरव्यू करने में. बट स्टिल लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन, वाज देयर एनी अदर एरिया जहाँ पे आपको लगा पता कि मे बी द सिचुएशन इज गेटिंग ऑकवर्ड और मे बी देयर इज अ इमीडिएट साइलेंस ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू? क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है.
Sir, it happened. He asked me, like, I'm a state player in Sepek Takraw, which is kind of a new game. So he asked me, Sejal, why did you choose this game? This is not so popular. You should have chosen a popular
बिल्कुल.
game. Why this? Then I told him that I had a really good trainer at my school. He taught us, and that's why I could reach to district level and then state level. So he kind of grilled me on that question. Then he asked me, you have so many hobbies, are you able to do them every
Okay.
day, or do you do them on weekends? And I told him, yes sir, I do them, some of them on weekends and mostly on weekdays. And then he told me, you have so many things to do on your day, how do you manage, can you also tell me, like
Okay, okay.
that. But
चलो
yes sir.
दैट्स गुड यार. देखो अब ये जो मेच्योरिटी लेवल है दैट यू हैव शोन एट 18, ठीक है, यू आर करेंटली 18 एंड दिस मेच्योरिटी लेवल आई गेस ये हमें 24 और 25 साल की उम्र में भी नहीं आता है. बट स्टिल आई जस्ट वांट टू नो वन थिंग, यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन लॉट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू ऑल्सो हैव सम हॉबीज. सो हाउ डिड दोज थिंग्स हेल्प यू shaping your personality for the SSB interview?
So since I was young, I have been participating in everything that come my way. And this helps me to, expand my skill set and knowledge set. So I do not miss any opportunity. I do everything. I give every exam that come my way, be it Olympiad, be it any entrance exams, be it any sports. Every year I join a new
Okay.
sport. And about extracurricular activities, I do not miss any one of them, like from my school or any debate competitions that take place
That's
inter
so
school.
nice. Like, see, you are telling about your debate participation and maybe other public speaking also. So, on this, what you would like to suggest to our audience? Because जो हमारे जो audience और viewers हैं, उनके लिए एक सबसे बड़ा एक और challenge आजकल ये है यार कि public speaking कैसे करें? How to go there on stage? Because अब हम daily life में ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे, पर जब हम SSB में जाके ये चीज़ reality में देखेंगे, then we will get scared. कि अरे यार हमने तो कुछ तैयारी नहीं की. That other person, she is speaking so fluently. Okay, that person, he is so good in lecture it. तो वहाँ पे जाके जब हम कंपैरिजन करने लग जाते हैं आई गेस, तो वहाँ पे भी हम थोड़ी अपनी जो होल्ड है पूरे SSB में वो लूज कर देते हैं एंड वी गेट डिमोटिवेटेड. सो लाइक व्हाट्स योर सजेशन टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स, लाइक यू नो, अबाउट रिलेटेड टू द दिस पब्लिक स्पीकिंग थिंग?
To all the future aspirants, I would like to say that participate as much as you can in any competition, be it in your school, be it in other areas, like MUNs are there, other debate competitions are there. So I would like everyone to participate as much as they can, and this will definitely improve their speaking skills, which will help them in SSB as well. So that's what I did, and that's what I would like everyone else to do.
Chalo, that's so great to know. Moving ahead with the third testing technique, that was GTO, right? Group testing officer. So what was your approach during that GTO time? And next thing, you know, it really becomes challenging when you work with a team. क्योंकि हर कोई वहाँ पे चाहता है मैं आगे जाऊँ, मैं पीछे ना रहूँ. सो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट ड्यूरिंग प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क, फिर हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, कमांड टास्क और जो ये फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क होता है जो फट्टा बल्ली जिसमें हमें यूज़ करके वी हैव टू प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट ऑब्स्टेकल. सो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम एज वेल?
So I thought of, leading from the front before my GTO, but when we went there, the only thing I was thinking of the group success, that we, all 8 of us, have to go there. I was not thinking of anything else, that whether I have to stay in front or back or this. I was only giving the ideas, executing it, and I was just thinking that yes, all 8 of us will make some stable structure to go from this side to that side. Even in GD, about the GP, I wanted my group to, proceed as soon as possible because we were given a bit less time.
Okay.
So, yes, sir. And yeah, just thinking about the group success will lead you, to the final achievement.
ओके. एंड ड्यूरिंग PGT HGT अब बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जो होते हैं वो नर्वस रहते हैं कि यार शैल आई गो हेड एंड गिव इट अ ट्राई, या मुझे आगे जाना भी चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज मेरा आइडिया नहीं वहाँ पे लगा तो क्या होगा. सो व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम?
So I led from the front. I went to make the structure, but when I was not able to tie the rope or something, then I asked my fellow opponent to switch with me
ओके.
to give a better idea.
बिल्कुल.
Like this, with cooperation, we all went ahead.
Okay.
So yeah.
And during your command task, like the GTO, he was trying to put any pressure on you, or like it was just a simple structure that he gave you?
So there were two structures. He asked me to make this. So I used the fatta, the rassi, the balli. And then, yeah, I made it and I showed him. He didn't grill me.
Okay. Okay. Chalo, that's nice. And talking about the lecturate. So, you know, basically we get those 4 topics. So, if you remember any of your topics, you can just please tell it to us and the viewers. And on which topic did you speak? And during that moment, like, you know, so many students are in a myth. उनको ये myth है कि भाई high level topic के साथ जाओ, भले ही बोला जाए या नहीं बोला जाए. So, which topic did you choose and how did you justify it?
Sir, I had four topics. The very first topic was e-waste. Next was my favorite game.
Mm-hmm.
Third was net banking. And fourth one, I don't
Okay.
remember. So I chose to speak on
Okay.
e-waste.
सो यू स्पोक ऑन ई वेस्ट बट अगेन यार ये चारों अगर टॉपिक देखा जाए तो मोस्टली लाइक नॉर्मल लेवल के ही हैं राइट सो लाइक वट वॉज योर थॉट प्रोसेस कि हाँ अगर हाई लेवल आ गया फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडो पाकिस्तान रिलेशन इंडो यूएस रिलेशन तो उस पर ही बोलूंगी या फिर लाइक आई शुड गो विद एनी वन कि यार जिस पे मुझे इनफ नॉलेज है एंड आई कैन जस्टिफाई दोज 3 minutes सो
So I would have definitely gone with which I have enough knowledge about. I can speak about it.
ओके
So that's why I chose
ओके
e-waste.
एंड हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस लेक्चर इट
Like there or before
लाइक
SS.
बिफोर एस एस बी ऑल्सो एंड वहाँ पे भी जो 3 minute मिलते हैं सो वहाँ पे भी आपने क्या मतलब लाइक प्रेपरेशन का टेक्निक आजमाया था
So before SSP, I used to practice it by choosing the burning topics, like all kind of topics, be it high level, low level. I used to work on them. I had enough content about it, so I used to keep revising it. And at the moment, like in my GTO, when I got the card, I saw that first topic
e-waste
e-waste. I started preparing about it,
okay
and I organized it by by telling what it is, how it is managed.
mm-hmm.
I included how other countries have been doing it, what could be the solution about it. That's how I organized it. And went there, I spoke confidently.
Okay, and what's the importance of English according to you? Were you stuck in your SSB at any point जहाँ पे आप हिंदी पे आए and you conversed in Hindi or like fully like you were totally going with English because I can literally feel that your English is excellent. So what according to you like what was your thought process during that time?
Sir, I didn't fumble actually in my GTO or BEAT interview. I was speaking in English only, but sometimes I believe one or two times in PGT, I think I spoke in Hindi to my
Okay,
friends to place the balli fatta कि ऐसे रख लेते हैं ऐसे नहीं चल रहा है तो
okay,
ऐसे कुछ.
okay.
But yeah, then I again switched to
And what
English.
about your personal interview? Was it in fully English or like you used a kind of Hindi also in between?
So I only used it for like the delicacies I was telling about Jodhpur, like jalebi, dal
Okay,
bati, something like that.
okay.
Otherwise, it was fully in
Okay,
English.
चलो that's great to know. Sejal, I just wanted to ask you, like जैसे individual obstacle होता है या group obstacle race होता है, especially I have seen like most of the women candidates, they face challenges जहाँ पे भी ये physical fitness वाली चीज़ आती है SSB में भी. So how much individual obstacles were you able to do? And how did you prepare for it? And any guidelines that you would like to share with all the women aspirants especially, that how can they work on their physical fitness part?
So first of all, I would like to say that both girls and boys have equal physical endurance
बिल्कुल
according to me.
बिल्कुल
In my batch also, there were girls who did like 10 out of 10 obstacles, but I could do only 6 out of them.
okay.
So yeah, I believe that I could have worked more on my speed and strength, so I would have completed all 10 of them. But according to the time limit and my speed, I could only do 6.
What would you recommend to others, like considering their physical fitness, that how should they prepare for the SSB thing, because you have seen that environment है ना तो जो पहले अटेम्प्ट के लिए जाने वाले हैं मे बी गर्ल्स ऑल्सो एंड बॉयज ऑल्सो सो वट यू वुड रिकमेंड देम सीइंग द रियलिटी कि वहाँ पे क्या फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स डिमांड है
So first of all, they see the courage in the individual, and also I would like to tell every future aspirant to work on their stamina, do some running every day, be indulged in some sports activities, improve your arm strength because rope climbing, the tire jump, the Burma bridge, monkey crawling, everything requires your arm strength mainly. You should know how to jump from a higher platform. You should work on your balancing thing for the balancing beam.
बिल्कुल
So yeah, you have time, you can prepare for that.
ओके नाउ टू वन ऑफ द इंसाइटफुल क्वेश्चन आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू ऐसी कौन सी यार कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं जो कि एस्पिरेंट्स को अवॉइड करनी चाहिए व्हाइल दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देयर एसएसबी और व्हेन दे आर इन देयर एसएसबी सो व्हाट डिड यू नोटिस एंड व्हाट कॉमन मिस्टेक्स दे शुड अवॉइड
So what I noticed personally was a few people are faking it, maybe in the interview, maybe in the GTO.
ओके
So one thing I recommend would be real, be yourself, and be honest about everything. That's what I did, and that's what most of the recommended candidates with me did. So I just want everyone to be honest. And secondly, never be overconfident or overstressed.
Okay.
Be the present moment, live the, whatever happened in your past task, don't think about it. Focus on what you're doing right now. And yes, you'll be able to ace it.
And the next question is, how much important is mindset and your confidence in the 5 days of those SSB?
I believe some mindset is everything.
Okay.
It fully depends on the mindset. You know, if you are stressed or if you're overconfident, you won't make it. I believe you have to stay honest, you have to be cheerful, and you should have that learning, you should have that open mind, open to everything, and you should be curious to learn new things. Like I was, along with performing, I was learning. Like all seven of the girls in my group taught me so much. I got to learn them. Got to learn from them so much. Yes, I believe every aspirant being in the SSB should have a mindset of learning new things from their teammates, and that will really help you to ace it.
Bilkul, bilkul. That's again a very insightful thing that you have told us. Next thing, Sejal, I want to know. अब जब आपका personal interview वहाँ पे हो रहा था, right? So maybe he would have asked you about your backup plans. But let's say अगर backup plans नहीं भी पूछे होते, but if this armed forces or this NDA thing or like military, like after graduation also, let's say military was not an option for you. So what other backup plan you would have gone with? I believe that would be that definitely that aerospace thing which you have told me. But again, why that thing only? एंड उसके अलावा भी इफ़ यू हैड एनी थिंग इन योर माइंड, बिकॉज आज भी बहुत सारे बच्चे प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा जनता जो है वो एसएससी सीजीएल की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाती है इफ़ एसएसबी है ना क्लियर नहीं होता है तो, राइट? सो व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस ड्यूरिंग दैट व्हेन ही आस्क्ड यू अबाउट बैकअप प्लान्स?
Yes, so my interview asked me about the backup plans, and I told him honestly that I will join any aerospace engineering college and I'll pursue this because I have this interest since first
Okay.
standard. Since then, I've been thinking that, this space is a mystery and I wish to resolve that. I just want to think what outside this box, this earth.
Okay.
So I want to explore further. So that's why I would have become a space scientist or an aerospace engineer.
Chalo, that's great to know. And also, like, Sejal, according to you, shall we keep this backup plan during our SSB preparation or not? Because अभी भी ये बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है, because I have personally seen बच्चे 1 साल ड्रॉप ईयर लेते हैं, 2 साल ड्रॉप ईयर लेते हैं 12वीं का जस्ट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एनडी, बट वो नहीं होता है. देन दे इनरोल फॉर एनी कॉलेज, नॉट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कॉलेज, बट हाँ कि ग्रेजुएशन के बाद CDS एफ काट देंगे, तो वो ब्लाइंडली एक जगह जा रहे हैं. दे आर गुड एट सो मेनी थिंग्स, आई ऑल्सो नो दिस. ठीक है, वो 4 से 5 चीज़ें अच्छी में भी होंगे, बट ये जो लूप ऑफ SSB है ना, दे आर टू मच स्टक टू इट दैट दे आर अनेबल टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. सो आपके अकॉर्डिंग देयर शुड बी अ बैकअप प्लान or like there should not be a backup plan, like talking rationally about it? So what do you think?
Yes. So what do you think? Sir, I believe there always should be a backup plan for everybody because that shows your practical approach.
Bilkul.
Like the interviewer asked me that, okay, if not this attempt, then so I said my NDA is my first priority.
Bilkul.
I'll join some other college if not this time. I'll join some other college and I'll simultaneously keep preparing for my next NDA attempt. So by that also, and yes sir, having a backup plan is a practical approach, I believe, and you should tell it to the interviewer and you should have it with you that, okay.
Bilkul. Chalo, that's great to know. When you made it finally through the recommendation, so who was the first person whom you gave the call?
So I called my father
Okay.
when we were given a keypad phone from one FSB.
Okay.
And yes, I told him to tell my mama, my grandparents.
Okay, that you finally made it. And what was his initial reaction?
He already knew it somehow because someone told him that I didn't come out, so maybe I'm recommended.
Okay.
So he know, okay, congratulations, beta.
Okay. And Sejal, those 5 days, how that 5 days of experience, it shaped your overall personality? Like after that recommendation thing also and before that recommendation thing also, because I have personally seen, ठीक है, जब मे बी 8th 9th और 10th अटेम्प्ट में 3 बार बैक टू बैक रिकमेंड हुआ था, उसके बाद जो मैं एक अलग कॉन्फिडेंस लेके बाहर की दुनिया में रहता था, that was different kind of thing. So how did that 5 days of experience help you out?
So those 5 days were really thrilling for me. I really enjoyed them. And as everyone say, those 5 days are, really enjoyable. It's the truth. I realized it now. And we used to study together. I and me with all my friends utilized each and every facility that was available there. We used to play around every time. We used to use the anti room, TV room. Everything was really great. We
Okay,
went for
just a
book
question,
out.
just a counter question here. Did you study during those 5 days? वहाँ पे जाके भी जैसे कुछ बच्चे हैं ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा नोट्स बना के जाते हैं थोड़ा बहुत ताकि टच में रहे एंड ऑल. सो यू वर लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडिंग या मॉडरेटली जस्ट टू कीप अ चेक कि हाँ यार मेरी थोड़ी रिवीजन रहे.
I was moderately studying.
Okay.
I revised my, sports and hobbies and my favorite players and all for my
Okay.
interview. And for lecturate, I studied a bit. Otherwise, no.
Okay. To that question, like how did it shape your entire personality? So you were doing this thing, and how did it help you overall?
Got to learn a lot from my friends. I learned many new games there, volleyball, TP. I didn't know earlier, but I learned it
Okay.
now. And then, yeah, after the GTO, we felt a bit, stressed that, oh, we didn't cooperate much in GD. But next, like in the next GD, we cooperate. We, everyone gave points. We listened to everybody. We started thinking of the group success. And after my last task of GTO, and just before the conference, I told my friends, we all were sitting on a table, and I said, okay, guys, I'm satisfied with my performance. This was the best I could do.
बिल्कुल.
And everyone, the other 7 girls said the same thing, that yes, we are satisfied with our performance. And then we made it to the conference. It was a fun
Okay.
experience.
And how has this life changed after that SSB recommendation for you after coming out from that environment?
Now I feel a bit more responsible, a bit mature, and now I have this more motivation to get through medicals, merit,
Okay,
everything.
that's great to know. And I hope यार कि like ये जो medicals और merit वाली चीज़ है that also turns out in your favor and you finally join your National Defense Academy. Last question for the interview, Sejal, would be like, what main message you would like to give to all the defense aspirants who are watching this interview of yours, whether they are preparing for NDA, whether they are preparing for CDS, AFCAT, or mainly the SSB interview.
To all the aspirants, I would like to say that keep faith in your preparation and you'll surely make it if you have put enough efforts for it. And stay resilient. Don't give up, because you will face failures in your journey, and but these failures will make you even more stronger. So keep faith and keep preparing. You'll definitely make it.
Okay, chalo. That's again a very insightful information and the lesson that you have shared, not just with the audience, but for me also. And Sejal, it was great having you on the platform of Voices of Experience. And I personally believe यार ये जो voice है ये हर aspirant तक पहुँचे and they also get enough amount of motivation and courage for their next SSP attempt. So thank you so much, Sejal, for joining me. That's all. ठीक है, take care and all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.